Dear students, today we have to read an important long question, that is grouping of resistance. Means if how we have to connect a number of resistance, that is called as grouping of resistance. A number of resistance can be connected by either in series manner or in parallel manner. This is the circuit diagram or connection of three resistance R1, R2 and R3 connected in series, and this is the circuit diagram for connection of three resistance R1, R2 and R3 in parallel. So what is the difference in between them? The resistance are said to be connected in series if same amount of current flow through all of them. जदि सबु गुड़ाक रेजिस्टेंस को समानुपात रे करंट फ्लो हुए से प्रकार कनेक्शन कौन कह जाए सीरीज कनेक्शन. एंड व्हाट मीन बाय पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन? द रेजिस्टेंस आर सेड टू बी कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल if different amount of current flow through all of them. ई फिगर रे देखो I amount of current R1 को गला, then R2 को गला, then R3 गला, then again other terminal रे हमें केते पाइले I पाइले. But इडी R1 रो दीटा टर्मिनल होची, देखो ई दीटा बिंदु होची R1 रो दीटा टर्मिनल having potential difference V1. Similarly for resistance R2 terminal potential difference is V2. Similarly for R3 potential difference is V3. But in case of parallel combination, current flowing through all the resistance are different. Whenever the current is crossing the junction A, the current is divisible into three parts. That is, I1 is flow along R1, I2 is flow along R2 and I3 is flow along R3. So what is the difference in between series and parallel? In series, same amount of current is flow through all the resistance, but potential difference is different for all the resistance. But in parallel combination, the potential difference is the same because all the resistance are connected in between two terminal points A and B. Hence, in parallel combination, potential difference is the same, but current flowing through the resistance is different. This is the difference in between connection of series and parallel. Now we have to derive what is the net resistance if three resistance are connected in series, and what is the net resistance if three resistance are connected in parallel. We have to discuss one by one, and it is very important long question for you. You see, in series connection, let I is the amount of current flowing through all of them. If V1, V2, V3 are the potential difference of the conductors, then according to Ohm's law, we can write V1 is equal to I into R1, V2 is equal to I into R2, and V3 is equal to I into R3. If V is the net potential difference across whole of the combination, then we can write V is equal to I into R, where R is the resistance of the whole circuit, means resistance of the whole combination. But R1, R2 and R3 are the individual resistance. Understand? Now, from this diagram, we can write V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3, or implies instead of V you can put IR is equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3, taking common I into R is equal to I into R1 plus R2 plus R3, or implies cancel I and I, R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the net resistance of the combination if the resistance are connected in series. Thus, in series connection, the total resistance of a number of conductors connected in series is equal to the algebraic sum of their individual resistance. Okay. Now we have to discuss what is parallel. The resistance are said to be connected in parallel if different amount of current is flow through them and get added afterwards. Current at B junction deibo, so a current at missing same amount of current I am paijva. Let us consider three conductors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel. Here, the three conductors are joined at a common point A and other at the common point B in such a way that current I entering at A divided into number of parts and a part flowing in each of branches and again meets at the point B to reconstitute the total current I. जो A junction से क्रॉस हम I1, I2, I3 current भाग होइकी different branch रे से जीवे आउ point B जो क्रॉस हम we get same amount of current. So if I is the net amount of current, then from this circuit diagram we can write I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. If V is the potential difference across the combination of these conductors, then according to Ohm's law we can write V is equal to I1 R1 is equal to I2 R2 is equal to I3 R3, or implies I1 is equal to V by R1, I2 is equal to V by R2, I3 is equal to V by R3. Yes or no? If R is the net resistance of the circuit, then we can write net resistance of the circuit, then we can write net current I is equal to V by R. Now putting all these values in this equation, we get V by R is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3, or implies V by R is equal to V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, cancel V and V, so implies we get 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So the reciprocal of equivalent resistance of a number of conductors connected in parallel is equal to the sum of the reciprocal means 1 by sum of the reciprocals of the resistance of the individual conductors. This is the mathematical expression for number of resistance connected in parallel, and this is the mathematical expression for number of conductors connected in series. So what are the characters? In case of series connection, the current through all the resistance is the same. The potential difference across any resistor is proportional to its resistance. The potential difference of the bodila resistance bodijo because current is constant. The total resistance of the circuit is equal to the sum of individual resistance including internal resistance of the cells if any. जदि भितर कौन इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस थाए तो इस इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस मिश्रण सहित समान हम. The current in the circuit is independent of the relative position of the various resistors in circuit. जदि मानर पोजिशन आम चेंज करिया बोले net resistance R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 ही पाइबा, and the total resistance in the series circuit is more than the largest resistance in the circuit. Total टा इस सबुआ कठारु कौन हम निश्चित रूपे बड़ हम R1 टू R बड़ R2 टू R बड़ R3 टू R बड़ but in case of a parallel combination the net resistance of two or more conductors in parallel is smaller than the smallest of them एट देख जदि गोटे सिंपल एग्जांपल तुम दूची 1/r इज इक्वल टू 1/r1 प्लस 1/r2 जो दीटा आम रेजिस्टेंस कनेक्शन करवा ये एलसीएम के आसो R1 R2 ये के आसो R1 प्लस R2 implies net resistance R is equal to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. So if two resistors are connected in parallel, then net resistance R is equal to product of two resistance by sum of two resistance. And in case of a parallel, the potential difference across all the resistors is the same. The current through any resistor is inversely proportional to the resistance. If the number of parallel branches is increased, the total resistance of the circuit is decreases. This is all about the grouping of resistance, and it is very important long question. And जो कि लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन जब परीक्षा आसो तेज डायग्राम सहित केवल एति ही प्रूव करियो सीरीज और पैरेलल दीटा का मिक्सिंग है लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आसो और कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स जो तुम देछि मो नोट रे 4-5 पॉइंट ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट इज 1 मार्क क्वेश्चंस.